Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about civics chapter understanding secularism. We know that history gives us many examples of discrimination, prosecution, and we know that how Jews were persecuted in Hitler's Germany and how several millions were killed. We can see many examples of one religion community either persecute or discriminate against member of other religious community. Now we will talk about secularism as we have discussed in civics chapter 1 also. Secularism refers to the separation of religion from the state. The Indian constitution allow individuals the freedom to live by their religious belief and practices. Now we will talk about why we are saying why it is important to separate state from the religion. This is important for a country to function democratically. Almost all countries of the world will have more than one religious group living in them. Within these groups, these will most likely to be one group that is in majority. Another reason that is important to separate religion from the state in democratic society is because we also need to protect the freedom of individual to exist from their religions, embrace another religion, or have the freedom to interpret religious teachings differently. Now, we are talking about what is Indian secularism. The Indian constitution mandates that Indian state should be secular. Only a secular state can realize its objective. To ensure this, one religious community does not dominate another. Second, some members do not dominate others member of the same religious community. Third, the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individual. The Indian state work in various ways to stop this domination. It uses strategy of distancing itself from the religion. Now we will talk about in what ways Indian secularism is different to the other democratic country. The Indian constitution grants the rights to religious community to set up their own schools and colleges. It also gives them financial aid on a non-preferences basis. There is one significance in which Indian secularism different from dominating understanding of secularism as practiced in the United States of America. This is because unlike the strict separation between the religious and the state in American secularism, in Indian secularism state can intervene in religious affairs. The Indian state is secular and works in various ways to prevent religious domination. The Indian Constitution guarantees the fundamental rights that are based on these secular principles. The knowledge that such rights exist make us sensitive to the violations and enable us to take action when these violations take place. Thank you very much.